Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Holden Captiva 5, stock reference number 5745. The shape runs from the first month 2011 through the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.